and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing a video on aftercare of your painted furniture and what your painted furniture should look like after 5 years. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to share some products with you and some pieces. So we've moved on over to my workbench area because I want to show you a few things and talk to you a little bit more in depth about aftercare for painted furniture. One of the biggest questions that I still receive all the time is, will painted furniture really last? The answer, absolutely. Painted furniture is no different than any other piece of furniture. It's all in the way that you care for it. So the first thing that I do when I send home a piece of painted furniture is I send home some care instructions with it. I let my client know what to use, what not to use. The biggest thing that I can tell you is such a great thing for furniture, microfiber cloths. There is no need for harsh chemicals on painted furniture, on any furniture, to be honest with you. Two biggest enemies are waxy products like an Endust or a Pledge. Those are a huge no, don't use those. A microfiber cloth, you can dampen it if you need to. The other thing I like to tell people is there are some products that can help refreshen your furniture over time. Now, painted furniture as well as stained furniture is a little different. So if you have, let's say, a stained top, which I do a lot of stained tops, I'll recommend a few products if you want to use on that stained top. Its treatment is a little bit different than the paint. So I have these products here. This is one of them by Howard's, and it's a orange oil. You can use this on a stained top. Now, don't use this on the painted part of your furniture. Again, not necessary, but it will help condition that exposed wood that's been stained, typically sealed, but it's just a little different than the painted portion of your piece. So again, there's not a lot of products that you need for painted furniture to help maintain them. However, there is one really great multi-purpose product that I love having in my shop, and I recommend this to a lot of clients, is the Lily Moon Furniture Balm. Now, you can actually use this on your painted piece if you want to use it for additional durability, to seal it, more sheen. You can absolutely apply this over your painted furniture. It's not necessary, but it's nice to have. If you've got painted furniture, say 5, 6, 7 years old, and you just feel like it needs a little extra added something, add the balm. Bonus, they come in scents, and so they have a lot of different scents that are really, really great. You can use these on the inside of your drawers to refresh them, on your stained top to also refresh, moisturize. It's a great all-in-one product. Another great product to have on hand is the Fusion Mineral Paint Beeswax Finish. This is a really cool product. This also can be used as a sealer, and you can use it to refresh your furniture over time. It is non-waxy, it will add durability, it adds some sheen. And again, I'm mentioning these products, none of these are necessary to have, but they can help continue your piece of furniture to look beautiful throughout the years. If you notice, after time, most everything might need a little refresh. All right, let's go on inside my home and take a look at some of my pieces that I've painted and had over the years, and I'll show you how they've held. All right, so here's one of my pieces of furniture that I've had for quite a few years. So when you're doing your aftercare, the key is not to use harsh cleaning chemicals on these painted pieces. I'm going to zoom in really close so you can see the quality and how it has held up over the years. There's no fade, there's no yellowing, and honestly, there's no chipping. So that's fantastic. The top of this one is done with a stain. I did sand to bare wood, and I stained it, and I top coated it. So this theoretically can be cleaned with any type of, I don't use Endust, I don't like Pledge. Those are wax builders, so you're gonna wanna stay away from those. I like to use Murphy's oil soap if I feel like I need something, or just a dry microfiber cloth. So, just so you know, these painted pieces can stay beautiful and look just as new as the day they were done if they're cared for correctly. This is one of the pieces to my bedroom set, and then I'm going to show you another piece here. This one here, I've got a 4-piece bedroom set, all of which I did actually quite a few years ago before I even sprayed. This is all done by hand, but this has a stained top and a painted base, and I have not done anything to these. Actually, there is not even a top coat that was ever applied to this. I'm a little funny when it comes to applying top coats to whites because it can yellow and cause issues with the finish. So these have the top coat built in. It's Fusion mineral paint, and they are extremely durable. So well cared for pieces can last a lifetime. So your aftercare is super important for yourself or to share with your clients to make sure that you're not using any of those harsh cleaning chemicals. I use a damp microfiber cloth or a dry one just to simply keep the dust at bay. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you again for being subscribers. If you aren't subscribed, go hit that subscription button as well as the post notification bell so you're notified when all of my latest videos are released. Plus, being a part of my community helps keep my channel supported and keep me going. Also, if you have any positive comments or questions, make sure you leave them down below, as I always will answer your questions and I love engaging with you. Until next time, I'll catch you on the next video.